Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change currency on Revolut. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So what you want to do, you cannot directly change the currency on here. So let's say I want to change is to dollars. This is not possible, but it will automatically be done. If you for example buy something from the United States in dollars, then nothing will actually happens. It will automatically convert to dollar, so you don't have to worry about that. But what you can do, you can hit the arrow right here and you can hit a new account with a different currency. For example, we can add Danish, British. So I'm not going to do that because there is no point for me in doing that. But if you watch this video because you think need to change the currency to buy something, that is not true. The country will automatically be converted, so you don't have to worry about that at all. If you want to add more money from a different bank account, for example from a brand, you can add this account right here, and once you add money on that, it will automatically add the account as well. So this is the way how to change currency on Revolut. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.